How to disable music in Horror Tale 3. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely disable the music. First of all, open the application. Now here on the third option, you can see settings. Simply tap on settings. So here, there are different options that are available. Here on the third option, you can see this music tab. So here, you'll be able to see this slider too. Now you can adjust the slider accordingly, or you can completely keep it to 0. Now if you do this, you won't have any disturbance in the game. You can totally focus on playing the game and there won't be any music. Now if you go back, it's all set. So the sound plays a very vital role in this game. So you must be careful because you must listen the sound of the bunny in this game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.